How to fix Wink app login problem. Wink is basically a video enhancing tool where you can edit videos and add filters to your videos. If you're having trouble with logging into your account, I'm going to show you a few ways you can fix it. So first, let's see. Here, this is the home screen, and if you're having trouble logging in, first thing what you can do is you can go to the Wink app app info right here, and from here you can go to storage, and you can clear cache from here, and also clear data if you want. So this will refresh the app and make it brand new. But after doing that, you also have to make sure that you give all of the required permissions to the app, so all of these permissions, because sometimes if the app does not have required permissions, it will be malfunctioning. So after you do that, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable as well. But if that still doesn't work, what you can do is go to your Play Store, uninstall the app, and then reinstall it. After doing that, your problem should be fixed. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.